The most common oxygen sensor failure today is the sensor not generating rich voltage when the exhaust is truly rich. Because the oxygen sensor is a voltage-generating device, like a battery, it makes sense that it can fail in a way that prevents it from making voltage. This failure can be identified using the Kohler diagnostic system and doesn't require subjective multimeter circuit testing. These videos illustrate oxygen sensor operation using the Kohler diagnostic system in live data. If you feel the need to perform additional tests of the O2 sensor using a multimeter, keep watching. Like any repair, it's best to start with a visual inspection. Disconnect sensor connector and inspect terminals for signs of damage, specifically corrosion. Inspect for wiring damage like melting or incorrect routing that pulls the wires too tight. With the key on and measuring volts DC, you should see about 5 volts between pin C and D. With the key on and measuring volts DC, you should see approximately battery voltage between pin A and D. Resistance testing can also be done at the oxygen sensor, though test results can be confusing and easily lead to misdiagnosis. For example, the service manual indicates resistance between pin C and D shouldn't be less than 1 megaohm. But every meter I've used to perform this test indicates OL or open circuit, leading one to believe the sensor is defective. Let's take a closer look. Less than 1 megaohm is a failing test result, meaning any reading between 0 ohms to 1 megaohm fails the test. Any resistance value above 1 megaohm is a passing test result. The meter shown here can read up to 20 megaohms. Any resistance higher than that is indicated as OL because it's out of the meter's range of capability. If the resistance of the O2 sensor is 20 megaohms or higher, the meter will simply indicate OL. OL, or infinite resistance, is more than 1 megaohm and is a passing test result. Heater circuit resistance can also be measured, though a failure of this circuit is likely to result in fault code P0031 or P0032. The most common oxygen sensor failure today is when the oxygen sensor fails to generate rich voltage, even though the exhaust is truly rich. This failure won't be identified with multimeter testing. It'll pass every test we just performed. The only way to catch this fault is with the Kohler diagnostic system using live data.